Ever wondered what iconic album covers bring in your mind? Imagine not knowing a thing about the album or artist, but mainly by glancing at their covers. Which one will you choose first? Ricky Tyler's Small World or Teleman Good Regardless? Suluman with Some Power by Nestasy or God Guluva by Questo? How about Touch My Blood by AKA versus Caspinia Vest album Tuto? A cartoon dude surrounded by cars, windmill, diamonds and more, or a girl with a girlfriend or a wife holding a baby in a beautiful house. Album cover art is far beyond a mere image. It can make or break an entire album. Yet for an artist, selecting that one image that encapsulates their vision and resonate with the music's vibe is no easy feat. If executed perfectly, great covers elevate albums and, in some instances, leave an indelible mark on their entire music genres. The GOAT, don't judge the book by its cover, may not apply to music. Music and art are inseparable, just as painting reflects its creator's influence. Album covers mirror an artist's vision and the tone of the music. It serves as the initial appearance before delving into music. First impression is very important in the competitive music industry. Although vinyl records have low sales, as most of the people buy them just to decorate, the majority stream music on their mobile devices. However, this doesn't diminish the importance of complying a cover. If anything, with the surge in music on the streaming services, attention-grabbing artwork is important. Once you have a listener's attention, coupled with a great music, a cultivating cover not only attract them to continue listening, but also encourage them to turn and share the music with others. A great album cover captivates you before you press play, similar to visual elements in movies, video game, or YouTube thumbnail. Good covers spark interest and compels you to pause and tune in. Music need a visual counterpart, and exceptional album covers serve as a gateway into the artist's world. A good cover should provide a sense of what you are about to hear, setting the mood and preparing listeners for a musical journey. For instance, seeing a black family sitting together smiling and happy indicates you are in for meaningful and dramatic music. Or people canine walking through a river, MT holding a child and one kid standing, a group of fists joined by an electrical elements, or Caspers wearing a church clothes in the church. Those are the examples of covers that add another layer to the music and add its story. Various design styles have evolved through the years, but simplicity often prove effectively. Memorable photographs, self-portrait, and carefully consideration of colors that match the music vibe are crucial in cover art. Colors complement the feelings the album imparts to listeners. Obsessional album covers inspires generation, from Big Small Ready to Die to Casper's Refilo. However, album covers are subjective, much like the music. Casper's Sweet and Short 2.0 cover initially faced mixed reaction but drew on fans over time. Aries Today's Strategy, Tomorrow's Memory, the mixtape covers received mixed reaction initially but is now considered iconic. A great cover enhanced the album experience, taking the music to another level and complementing the audio-visual connection. It gives listeners an image to physically associate with the project, and a bad album cover does the opposite, potentially discouraging listeners from exploring the music. For every exceptional album cover, there are thousands of terrible ones. Never believe that a fan don't care about album cover art. See you on the next one.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging